Okay, Sarita, good morning. I am going to explain you how to add rational numbers, okay? The first example is, here we have a fraction, okay? So, if you see a negative number in the denominator, you are going to erase that negative number, and then you are going to write that negative in the numerator, okay? That is the first step. You are not going to find a denominator with a negative number. The second step is that we are going to find the least common multiple between 4, 6, and 8. So, we're going to start with the second. The second of 8 is 4. The second of 6 is 3. The second of 4 is 2. Let's continue with the number 2. The second of 4 is 2. The second of 3, no, we're going to down the number. And the second of 2 is 1. Let's continue. The second of 2 is 1. We're going to down number 3. And the third of 3 is 1. So here we have 2 times 2, yes, times 2 times 3 is equal to 34. So it means that our least common multiple is 24. Now we're going to look for a number that multiplied by 4 give me as an answer 34. So 4 times 6, 34, yes. Check this. 4 times 6 equals 34. So here 6 times 4, 24, and 8 times 3, 24. Now, if we multiply this number, the denominator times 6, we're going to do the same with the numerator, okay? So, times 6, times 4, and times 3. Now here, we're going to do this. So we're going to multiply negative 12 times 6. So 12 times 6 is equal to 72. So we have negative 72 plus negative 28 plus negative 30. So what we're going to do here, as you can see, all the numbers are negative. It means that we are going to add those negative numbers, okay? So we have negative 72 plus negative 28 okay, good, please. We have, okay, we're going to add the numbers as normal. 72 plus 28 plus 30, yes, that is equal to 130, but as we have a negative number, we have negative 130. Yes, but we can simplify those numbers because we can have those numbers. The second of 130, so 130 divided by 2 is equal to 65. Yes, so we're going to do right here negative 65, negative 65, and the second of 24 is 12. So it means that our answer is negative 65 over 12. Okay, thank you.